Okay, now the second thing you could do to solve this is you could also look at these equations by taking the first one and dividing it by 2 so that we could compare them more easily. So if I divide each term by 2, that would give me x minus y equals 4. And then I can see that this first equation is similar to my second equation, but they're not the same. And x minus y cannot equal 4 at the same time as it equals 6. So that would be no solution. So this gives you one more example of what that looks like. And the reason that this system has no solution is because x plus y cannot equal 8 and 25 simultaneously, or in other words, at the same time. All right, last one, by inspecting the equations, what can you determine about the solutions to this system? So as I'm looking at this system, I see two equations in standard form. They're not slope-intercept, where I can see the slope, m, and my y-intercept, the b. So it's hard for me to tell if they're parallel or if they have different y-intercepts. But what I do see is that the second equation seems to be twice as big as the first. So if I multiplied my top equation by 2, then this would become 6x minus 2y equals 12, which is the same as my second equation in the system. So since both of these are the same, I will say infinitely many solutions. As we look at this question, what can you determine about the solutions? Finally, we are in slope-intercept form. So I see my slope is -6 in both equations. My y-intercepts are different, so they're different lines, but they have the same slope, so they're parallel. And parallel lines are always no solution because parallel lines will never crisscross each other. You are all set for your digits homework. You'll do great.